and therefore leaving Moa 1v1 up against Cambo. Just can't quite get released there, but certainly something they're looking to utilise.
That's driven in towards Munoz and snapped up by Sarr. And just like that, in two quick passes, Crystal Palace have the lead. Ismaila Sarr does it against Liverpool once again. And as soon as they up the tempo,
Palace from a considerable distance. Lack of intensity from Liverpool, really. Nobody coming towards the ball. Fortunate ricochet off Gomez. Really forceful run, you've got to say, from Munoz in off the right-hand side, trying to get into a scoring position, trying to hurt Liverpool. Gomez has got to do better there, I think. He can sort his feet out, he can clear his lines, and he just sets it up, tees it up, really, for Sarr. He's not going to turn down that type of opportunity. The form that he's been in since the start of the season, on his swinger, but finds enough contact and direction to give Palace the lead. Really went and closed the ball initially. Yeah, credit Munoz for his little dart. A little bit of good fortune, but I think Gomez could do better. Certainly untidy, wasn't it? Ramsey, I think, all the way over in a left-back position momentarily.
Well, Gomez has missed that one over the top. Pino can't do much with it, except prevent the goal kick.
There was actually another opportunity. Gomez just missed his kick. That's a lovely pass there, Kamada, I think, and he just hesitated, had to slip in Sarr to his right, and once he'd done that, Ramsey did well, but it's a little clumsy. Maybe I
haven't seen enough of him really in the last 15 minutes or so. Moved on quickly again. Pino, or clever reverse ball. Sarr is all the way through. It's another brilliant finish. Super reverse ball from Pino. Sucked the defenders in, popped it the other way, and suddenly Liverpool are in real trouble. A big 1-2 combination from Ismaila Sarr late in the first half, and Palace have breathing space.
Well, there's no doubt when he gets in that it's going to end in the back of the net, because he's in such brilliant form, and he has been for such a period of toes, yet to really catch fire at Crystal Palace. But there, it's his pass, which is a wonder. Fantastic stuff from him. Initially, beautiful stuff from Kamada once more. It's just ripped through the heart of Liverpool. Swift, incisive passing. That touch is excellent to open up the target, and then he just steers it to the left as we look. It's a lovely little finish, just elevates it as well to make absolutely sure.